old are you turning?
4.
How much do you think I should take out? Is this the vlog? Oh, we can't flip off YouTube, can we? That's strawberry flavor.
I know that one. I want
This is strawberry and that's lemon.
I want this one.
Okay.
Mom, what do you want?
Yeah. Watermelon. Good morning. Good morning. We're getting ready to go to the beach. It's a beach day. Light it. Today I called the rain down in Ochi, so outside is busting, it's raining cats and dogs. Dogs and cats. So right now we're at Bird Shack. I've seen it all over TikTok and I'm finally trying it. Okay, so this is what we got. Wedges, sandwich, and some chicken. Does it taste better? This is the Bird Shack. The food is not good. The what? They've been in water drought for weeks now. So why you guys want to wait till I come to Ochi? Right? You guys already know I don't like coming up here.
All when I hear them dancing song and they build them routine and them go something. Say, oh no boy on TikTok. Say, oh no boy on TikTok. One hold on a shot on the head side somehow. Every time I hear a song for the girl, them I be a routine. Come see Marcy Chin sing one song. Where Marcy Chin go? What she say? I pum pum tight and stitch and I see man and grab up crutches and I do dance and then somebody. I look a boy want to see someone in some party for this or no. When you hear something, you hear them blow it. When you know one dancing song, when you go Google Kaka Eye Flames and dig down game. That one, that more and say, play again.